Hi guys, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram application where we show you how to share with your friends the selected reel, post and Instagram story. So let's go to the watching. Right now we are on Instagram app and we are on the home page. So first and foremost I will show you how to send to your friend the selected reel. I will tap on it one time to open in the full mode. Later let's pick on this send option on the right side of the screen to send it to your friend. As you can see here, we will have the list of all our friends and people with whom we have the created messages history, but if you cannot find the needful person, you can also use the search bar at the top of the screen, and after setting the needful nickname you can find the person you need on the list. It can not only be your friend but just only user in Instagram. So let's tap on the dot opposite the needful person. You can also add some message for this user, just he as an example, to share not only reel but also your comment. Later let's pick on the send option below to share with this account the selected reel. We will check the result later because I will show you right now how to share some posts also. So let's go to the second section to choose the needful post. Okay, so I will pick on it. As an example, if you want to share this post with your friend, you just need to pick on the same icon which is located below of the image. And in the same way you can choose the needful person here. Remember, as I said before, that you can also choose several people here in the list. And also add your own comment. GG. Okay, and after pick on the send. Amazing, we have notifications about it. Everything was successfully and smoothly done. And the last option to share some story with your friend. So let's choose this story as an example. For example, this one. We need to pick on the three dots icon here on the top bar and tap on the share to feature. Later, if you have iPhone, you need to scroll a little bit the appearance menu and tap on the Instagram picture here. Amazing! Right now we will have the same list of our friends, but right now I don't have the needful account, so I will choose the search bar and set the needful nickname. Tap on the dot opposite as we did it before and add some comments like, I don't know, happy. Okay. Happy. And tap on the share option below. Wait a minute, please. Send. So right now we will check the result after going to the messages section here. When we are on the home page, we need to tap on the right corner of the screen and choose the needful account with whom we had shared the reels, post and also story. Remember that we will have only the link of the selected story because we cannot do this in another way because we are not mentioned on it. So it will be only in the linked style, only in this way. But everything is successfully done, and right now I hope that you know how to share with your friends the content you like. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel to find out even more Instagram cool fun tricks. Bye bye!